Sa'yo, Matt, tingin mo advantage, disadvantage na matagal mo, kumbaga alam nyo na yung laro ng isa't isa excited ko ba na makatapat siya? Or si Bea.
Oo naman, definitely excited ako na syempre new system din yung nilalaroan niya. So, even though alam ko na paano siya maglaro, syempre iba pa rin yung sistema ni Coach Dante kay Coach Sherwin. So, syempre may mga bago pa rin kaming makikita from Bea and even kay Ate Den. So, we're very excited sa laro nila pag laban natin.
When you got the news, tagal nyo muna magkakampi nga, college pa lang din, sa pros, magkakampi na, nalungkot ka ba personally? Although sister team naman what was your reaction?
Siyempre, nalungkot kami kasi yun nga, matagal na kami magkasama. Kami nila Kat, nila Bea, nila Deans, di ba matagal na kami. Pero, paano ba siya i-explain? Alam mo, it's part of life. Ganun talaga. Kung sa tingin niya, mas mag-grow siya sa isang team na to. Dun siya. Hindi, ayaw naman namin siyang kukupin na parang dito ka lang kasi comfort zone mo yan. Like what she said, gusto niya lumabas sa comfort zone niya, gusto niya mag-explore pa. And she wants to be a better player. Siguro sa Chocomucho, nakuha niya na yung kailangan niyang kunin sa Choco.
Alright. Ali, yun, bukod kay Bea, I mean si Den, di ba, nag-abot din kayo. Anong reaction mo nung mapupunta sa Team UC, yung dalawang players na yan, na talagang nakasama mo doon sa
Well, we're very happy, very excited to be frank. And it's been a while, both championships siguro na meron ako sa Ateneo, sila din kasama namin, kasama ko din si Maddie. Honestly, kami na Den yung magkakasabay. I saw them, Bea, Maddie, and Therese together din naman nung rookie sila, kami yung nasa seniors na. So, sobrang daming history, daming bumalik na mga memories. But I think one thing that I was very excited about is that, I mean, syempre iba na yung way of play namin this time of, alam mo yun, our careers. So, I'm just very excited kung ano yung matututunan ko ulit sa kanila and ano yung may impart ulit namin sa isa't isa.
Nahirapan ba yung adjustment ng dalawang players like Den and Bea nung first few days niya sa police matches of practice? Kamusta?
Well, I guess one thing na medyo nag-adjust sila would be the training time because our training is very early.
Kami 6 a.m.
Yeah, nagtakbo na rin yung training nila sked. But aside from that, I think I don't have anything to say to that kasi yung mga coaches din siguro namin yung nakakakita kung ano yung mga things to improve and ano yung kailangan nila. But ako, personally, one thing na I really admire sa kanilang dalawa is that they're very able to listen and they very attentive and talagang eager to learn pa rin at this point in their career.
How does it feel na ito yung sabihin natin na golden age ng volleyball talaga? Well, nagsimula sa Fab 5, then pumasok ka. Then hanggang nag-wrap off na doon sa kanila. Anong pakiramdam nyo ngayon? Actually, yung women's basketball, gusto din sana nila mag-catch na ganito. Anong feeling na nandito ka sa time na to? Na yung sa volleyball na alam mo, well, let's face it, isa ka sa talaga bakit sumikat siya talaga. Organic
Face of Philippines.
Yeah.
No, honestly, it's just so funny kasi I've experienced talaga volleyball at not naman lowest point of the volleyball community, but I would say we were on that point na na-experience namin yung medyo wala pa to meron na, and up until now I'm very grateful na hanggang ngayon inaabutan ko pa rin at naabutan ko pa din itong point ng volleyball dito sa Pilipinas. But I would say, I just want to say thank you to all the supporters and to Sir Jonathan ng the Ribisco family for being able to continue to support the volleyball teams, volleyball community talaga. But you know what? Nakakataba ng puso kasi nadaanan namin lahat and we're praying and we're hoping na lahat ng sports mag-grow and maging successful as volleyball. But we can't stop just right here. We have to keep on going for other generations to come.
For the future.
And hopefully mas maganda pa, lumaki pa, and mas madami maging interested sa volleyball para mas tumagal pa yung sports. And para sa benefit din ng ating national.
Yeah, and Maddie, di ba, maganda nagkaroon kayo ng platform to continue your careers. Kasi let's face it, ang dami dati na volleyball player sa college, pero after nun, wala na. Wala na. I mean, di ba, basketball PBA Dati, ang volleyball wala. So, tingin mo, ano yung opportunity na to para maituloy yung careers ko? Anong reaction mo?
Well, for me, honestly, we're very grateful na Rebisco is home. Kasi since Ateneo pa lang, sila Sir Jonathan na talaga.
Even the national team.
Yes, andun na sila for us. And kung wala sila, I don't think andito kami ngayon kung saan kami. And with the help of Rebisco, sobrang laki na ng platform ng volleyball ngayon. Ang dami ng fans, ang dami ng supporters, and it's really uncomparable compared to before. Sobrang iba na pati yung mga players, yung mga high school players ngayon, grabe yung level of playing nila compared to sa generation namin. As in, parang pagpapasok pa lang kami ng college, doon pa lang kami pupukpukin. Pero yung high school ngayon, sobrang iba na. Grabe na yung skill set nila, and ayun, we're very excited for the future of volleyball.
Tsaka yun nga, makita mo sa street talagang organic yung growth ng dati makita mo sa kalye yung basketball, yung half court, pero ngayon hindi papalo-palo. Anong reaction pag nakakita kayo ng gano'n, na yung influence nyo?
Actually, while you mentioned that, no, I was driving home one time, tapos may nakita ko mga bata, naglalaro lang sila ng volleyball. So parang, yun nga sabi natin rin, nakakataba ng puso kasi parang iba na talaga. Kasi before, nag-volleyball ka, di ba pang girls lang yan? Yan yung usually sinasabi nila. But then, like right now, ang dami nang gustong maglaro. And mas na-inspire sila lalo with how all the teams are playing right now.
Anyway,